guys, it's me, Adrian. Sorry I couldn't do a live stream. It's too hard since I'm on a Lenovo Chromebook. My battery's about to die. Yay! I got scanned yesterday. I couldn't sleep for a little bit, and my Doge had to sleep with me. Dang, my hair's on fleek. I like how it looks too. And I'm just gonna show you guys my pets. I'm bored. First off, I'm gonna show what type of computer I have. So look, it's a Chromebook thingamajiggy. Beautiful. Okay. Pretty great. Okay, so first off, we're gonna start off with Diamond, my 3-year-old African underwater frog. Yeah, that's her. One of them died recently. We had 4, but they died. There was supposed to be a hamster right here, but then they died. All 15 of them. And then I'll go upstairs later so you guys can see my Doge. Sorry that this is so crappy. It's legit 7:21. I'm supposed to do a live stream now, but no. Okay, down in the abyss. Okay, for all you peoples that don't know, I actually have a turtle. Oh crap! Don't hiss at me. Doink the barking turtle. What's up, doinky doink? Okay, yeah, this is my ugly basement. Then we got 2 frogs in here. Hi, sisters. Then we got snakes. I'm so tired. 2 snakes, actually. My beautiful snakes. And then we got Lulu, my dog, which you guys have probably seen Lulu before. But she's my favorite pet. Probably because she's my dog. If you guys don't know, my 2 dogs passed away, not too long ago. Stop shaking, you stupid thing. And also, I got scanned for my crow, my golden rat, and my crocodile. Hip hip hooray for a frost dragon because I accidentally hit accept. I like food, okay? Don't judge me. That's my kitchen. Okay. And then 2 months ago, my grandma died, which is nice. I legit could not sleep last night. I was so heavy-hearted. But now, guess what? I only play Adopt Me for the Star Awards, okay, people? The Star Awards, nothing else. And until I got the golden egg, I'm not playing Adopt Me. I'm not going to be playing Adopt Me for a long time. My hair looks good when I first wake up. Jesus, I sound like a squeaking mouse. Just tell you, oh my god, what is up with holy crap. Okay, to show you guys that I'm not lying, it's that early in the stupid morning. So basically, my house is the most comfortable place for me. And then you're gonna love my Doge. Oh my god, she's so cute. those are all my pets. I'm gonna look at my computer. You know what I did, guys? I legit was thinking of stop posting YouTube videos. So I basically, this is my room. An average 10-year-old room. And I literally stopped posting for a week. And I was like, I need to post more consistently. So I'm gonna make, since I figured out how to use a screen recorder, wow, Adrian, that actually is not glitchy. Hooray. But I actually am going to, here's my friend, wait, what's their username? I'm not gonna click out of this. Oh my god. I'm looking at the video, because there's videos in the corner, and it's when the time I had my crow. Anyway, I'm going to be these are my dogs, my other dogs that died. I legit can't reach them. This one's Jenga, this one's Coco. What was I gonna say? Oh god. Anyway, that's really it. My earrings. And then when I realized I haven't worn earrings for a year. Hey! Well, anyway, I got Michael in a play called Mary Poppins Jr. I'm very excited, but I'm actually the backup Michael. I'm in like a year later Michael. What's that from? If you gotta look close, like they look like stitches. Last night I was trying to watch like happy movies, and I'm trying not to put my computer, whatever. I talk so randomly. Oh my god. Stop it, Adrian. Please stop. It's scary. And so basically I stuffed my computer. I shut it down, just like, die you stupid brat, and then shoved it underneath my clothes in my soccer drawer, which is the bottom drawer. And yeah, what's my bed over there? Yeah. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. I'll be posting soon. So basically, last night, I'm not going to end the video now because I'm an idiot. If you guys actually can't tell, I have green eyes. You know what, I'm going to send someone on this situation. Hi. Yay, we got light. Okay, yeah, my eyes are green actually. And, why do I have a dollhouse? Anyway, I'm gonna start playing more positive games and watching more positive TV shows so I can be more positive in life, because I'm very negative. If you guys don't know, I'm a very negative person. And I like to hide stuff from people for some reason, but then I tell other people, which is very weird. I'm weird. Join the club, sisters. It would be nice if you have some Robux and you could buy the shirt. I'll leave the link in the description for my group. It's called Koala, and it's called Koala. And if you have enough money, you can buy, my grandma liked these flowers, it's 2,000 Robux, and then you can donate to the group for, that's 100 Robux, and yeah, that would be nice if you, like, bought them from the group, so it can go into group funds, or you could just donate to the group. Anyway, I'm gonna end it soon. And then I'm gonna make not a live stream because I suck at live streams. Well, I'm gonna make I'm gonna like film myself playing Roblox on a keyboard. I suck. Anyway, I'm probably going to film myself playing. Not film myself. I'm gonna play. Just get to the point, Adrian. Okay. I'm just going. Basically, I'm just going to play a game with my friend so he could be on YouTube. Anyway, I hope you all subscribe, and I have 13 subscribers. So yay!